Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create velocity editing using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut application and I'm going to create new project. And then you can choose your video that you want to edit. And I'm going to choose this video and then I'm going to import my video to the CapCut project. All right, and to create velocity editing, we need to add audio to this project. So I'm going to select audio here and then select sounds. And I'm just going to choose audio from CapCut. I'm going to choose, for example, the beats category. Okay, and then you can choose the audio that you like, or you can import audio from your device. I'm just going to choose this audio, guys, because I have already downloaded this audio. Click on this plus icon to add the audio. And wait, let me cut my audio. Okay, I'm going to click on split and delete. Alright, and the next one, you're going to select your video. And you're going to go to the effect menu. Select style. And then you're going to choose the velocity. And you can choose flash velocity. You can choose the other velocity, but it's not free, so I'm just going to choose the free one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on allow. Okay, and the effect will detect your music. Okay, it's done. The beat mark has been added to my audio, and you can adjust the effect here. This is for the music source, and then beat frequency, speed, and also the strength. You can customize it according to your need. And wait, let me play it to show you the velocity effect. Okay, it will create something like this. Alright, and then you can continue the editing. You can add text or effect or filter. It's up to you. If you want to make it more captivating, you can add filter. I'm going to apply this crystal clear filter. Okay, and this is for the final result. And then you can export the video by clicking on the export menu, and the video will be saved to your device, and you will be able to upload the video to your social media such as Instagram or TikTok or YouTube Short. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.